What is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are doing a, work from home setup. So I just got all of my work from home, office stuff, like my desk, which you guys will see. Got a chair, got a keyboard and mouse combo, laptop riser, and mouse pad, like a keyboard mouse pad. It's like pretty long, but let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Okay, let's go ahead and start unboxing. Now I got most of my stuff from I got all of my stuff from Amazon because my company gave me a $250 stipend, but like, we partnered up with companies that, two companies that will like provide us office stuff, but their stuff was basically too expensive, which was Best Buy. So it just made more sense to buy stuff off of Amazon compared to using my $250 for a chair or a desk. Probably not even enough for a desk, but yeah, I decided to buy everything off of Amazon. Keep it cheap, and you know, if I have to return anything, I can. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This may be the mouse pad or the keyboard. Okay, so this is the keyboard. This is what I got. I got a Logitech keyboard and mouse combo with the ergonomic pad right here. That way I didn't really have to buy a separate ergonomic hand pad. So we got that. I guess I fucked up because it's not like a pad, it's all plastic, well, hard plastic, so I mean, I'm probably fine with it. Still cool. It's supposed to like fit your position of your hand like that. So there's that. Alright, so next up, I'm going to do the big and the heavy box for last. Because this is the desk. I can tell it's the desk already. Next box, let's do this. This is the mouse pad that I was talking about. Oh, it comes in a bag. Comes in a little, tote bag. Yeah, this is the mouse pad I was referring to. So it's like supposed to be as long as your keyboard and mouse. Yeah, has like a grippy thing on the back. Let me come up close. Show you guys. Has like a grippy thing on the back. You guys can see that, and then it's like, mesh or that kind of stretchy looking material in the front. Got that. Oh yeah, I bought a extension box thingy, so like I can plug up multiple things. That also has 3 USB slots too. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I'm probably gonna screw it to the desk. Makes it easier. Yeah, I knew that I was gonna need something because I'm gonna get monitors too, and it just makes sense because there's not that many sockets around here. Okay, we got that. It's pretty decent size. Cause I'm not gonna be that far from the desk. I mean, from the socket. Put that over here. Got one more thing in here. Oh, the laptop riser, laptop stand. Sorry. So I gotta put this together. I thought it was gonna come together, set up already, but guess not. This is the chair right here. I'm actually not looking forward to setting any of this stuff up. Ever since I got away from like doing hands-on tech stuff, I've just been like, let IT do it. Okay. Oh, crisscross applesauce is not the move anymore. Alright, let me go ahead and put the back rest on.
Got it in my, hey,
Stop so
look,
baby.
hey, look. Hey, girl, I'm pulling up. Hey, look. Hey, hey, girl, I'm pulling up. Got it in my cup. We gon' fuck her wet. I'ma try my luck. I gotta watch my back, cause niggas like the front. Niggas talking tough. I done had enough. I like my women dark. I don't like them bright. I like them dark as night. That's my kryptonite. You checking your account. I don't check the price. Your money left. I got my money right. Yeah, you niggas broke, but I'm paid. Like you married in, you can't relate. Front page up. I'm amazing. Make a hit a high note, saying like Fantasia. I make a hit a high note, like Fantasia. I make a hit a high note, like Fantasia. Flip the page, hit the J on occasion. Got the wave, homie, there is no equation. Bring the beat back, I gotta eat that. That's my ex bitch, you can keep that. Snatch your wave cap, get my waves back. Yeah, you stole that, get your own raps. Bitch, you my space, I'm like TikTok. Got her tongue tied, got her lip locked. Got her lip gloss all over my face now. I got lip gloss all over the place now. You niggas broke though, ain't a joke though. Sleeping on a kid, talking about you woke though. She wanna smoke though, I'm a stroke bro. They wanna see the kid, you a no-show. They want a photo, they want an autograph, like it's Mario. She let my brother smash her, and she got it bad, got a big old ass, got me coming fast, I be coming back. COVID-19, you need to back up, like a movie scene, I can act up, like the City Girl song, I can act up, like a Denzel movie, you can act tough. I bring the ball up, you put the balls up. I'm trained to go, and you not pull your bars up. Damn, I just boss up. Yeah, I'm charged up. First 48, boy, you chalked up. I don't flip flop. This a cakewalk. You a lightweight, like a spacewalk. Boy, you straight talk. You don't have a plan, cause you straight talk. I'm a heavyweight. Yeah, they got you on that weight loss. You on Weight Watch. I be cooking shit. You be getting chopped. Bitch, you getting blocked.
Okay, so we finished with the chair. I will say, setup-wise, not the best. The screws are a little but comfortably, like comfortability, the back is cool. It rocks. It doesn't feel like you're gonna fall back. Maybe you have to like push back to fall back, but overall, nice little. That setup, you sit, I can sit like comfortably. This is the highest setting too. I can sit comfortably, like my feet planted on the ground. Let's move away from this. Alright, so now we got the laptop riser set up. Assembly, easy. I guess the hardware, give it a medium, probably like a 5 out of 10. The weight, it has a little weight to it. I guess that's good to hold any laptop that's pretty heavy. And it does give you like adjustable size. Like if you have like a mini laptop, you can like move in the arms a little bit closer. Like I said, I got all this stuff from Amazon. I guess if you guys want a direct link, I can send it to you. But this desk itself costs, it was about $80, I think. The chair was about $80 also. The laptop riser was like $10-15. The combo mouse and keyboard was about $25 to $35.
Keep going.
The socket was about like 10. The mouse pad was about 10 also. Mouse and keyboard pad was about 10.
I don't care, I'ma wear some entanglement. I won't save a nigga from no embarrassment. Put the game on my back and I'm carrying it. I just keep going. Yeah, hey, I go deep in it like an go fast in it, then I relax in it. Baby, put your back in it. I know I'm fascinated. I'ma splash in it. That coochie magnificent. Oh, damn. Woo. You a gum drop. I hit the sweet spot. Ayy, I just freestyle.
Alright, it took me a while to get this done, probably like an hour, but I will say it's okay. I guess it wasn't that bad, but it was okay to fix. I'll say it's, you can fit like maybe 2 monitor, you could probably fit like 1 monitor right here, maybe 1.5, depending on what size the monitor is. Obviously monitor right there. This part right here is supposed to be like a stand, so it will sit like this. But I'm not gonna put that on. I'm just gonna leave it like this, since I have a laptop stand already. But I'm thinking about putting the printer on top, and then I'm gonna get monitors. Probably gonna put the printer right here, and then have like my monitor. Well, no, I don't know where I'm gonna put the printer at, to be honest. Probably gonna have it like, the way I usually do it is monitor, laptop, monitor. So I'm gonna have it like maybe the printer right there, monitor, laptop in the middle, monitor right here. But other than that, I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna put this over there in that corner, since there's like the window right there, or if I'm just gonna put it right here, since I have a window right there. But I kind of feel like since I have more access to the window right here, I should just move this over, put the table over there. I gotta even check if there's a socket over there. Okay, there's a socket here, so yeah, we're straight. So all I gotta do is move the couch and should be good. Alright, so we're officially set up. So it's basically my main setup. You know, the chair's right here, windows to the right. Then I'm gonna have a monitor sitting over here, monitor sitting over there. I don't know. Yeah, I might just have like or I might just move the laptop over to the right or to the left and have my monitors sitting right next to each other. But I like having an extra screen, so that's how I like having my laptop sitting in the middle as the main screen, and then that way I can just scroll to the left and scroll to the right all the way through seamlessly. But who knows? I might have it sitting on the right or left to have my monitors together. But other than that, yeah, this is my at-home work setup. So I will move the printer over there sometime, whenever. But I don't really need a printer. But yeah, other than that, I have my wireless keyboard already plugged up and set up. All it was is plug and play. No like setup required on the laptop itself, or this specific laptop. I just plugged it in and it automatically started working. I will say I don't think I'm gonna keep this keyboard long. It's like it feels like a keyboard that's connected to, it feels like those keyboards you have at school, like bulky feeling. So I might change that out to like one of those MacBook kind of keyboards. This is pretty cool too. I mean, it doesn't really do anything but like keep it, I guess, placed so like this doesn't move around and stuff like that. But other than that, you do see like a lot of fingerprints in here, which is, I guess I don't really care, to be honest. I don't think I'm gonna keep this work from home setup long. I'm probably gonna, like, once I get like settled in Dallas and everything like that, I'm gonna like have like a proper not a proper desk setup. There is no proper desk setup, but I will have like a better looking desk, better looking hardware and stuff like that. So other than that, and better looking chair, or better, more comfortable chair. I think I'm gonna go with a gaming chair. But other than that, yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, comment. Do you guys have any work from home setups, or where did you guys get your things, your equipment from? And continue to support the channel. See you guys in the next one.